Hello everyone. We welcome you all to our second series of Lawyers on Company Law, a byproduct of our YouTube channel, The Noble Litigators. Today, I'm Advocate Upasna, Legal Associate at the Law Offices of Kuvar Vivek Tawar, Advocate and Associates, is going to discuss about the features of debentures, important factors to consider while buying debentures, and pros and cons of it. So first of all, features of debentures. As an investment avenue, debentures carry some lucrative features. Some few features of the debenture include: as the return is determined with a fixed rate of income and the investment is secured with the charge of the company's assets. This is a preferred investment option. Fixed return at the lower risk is the preferred investment avenue for all. Holding company debentures do not imply any ownership of the company. Therefore, debenture holders don't possess the right to vote or control the management of the issuing authority. Yet, in the case of default return, they can avail legal steps against the organization. With the higher face value, debentures comes with a better return than share investment. In the event of liquefying the company, debenture holders get preferences in the terms of repaying the borrowing amount. Irrespective of having profit or loss, the concerned company is bound to return the obligation at a predetermined rate of interest to the debenture holders. Now, the important factors to consider when buying a debenture. Before investing in debentures, investors or lenders need to weigh these vital points. First is credit rating. There are various agencies that assess credit ratings in order to measure the quality of the bond in terms of credit performance. Second, coupon rate. This is interest rate offered by the issuer. A higher rate implies high risk debt instrument, and a lower rate means lower risk debt instruments. Coupon payouts can be made monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. Now the third is issuer's credibility. The financial health of the company or the issuer is still the best judge of the creditworthiness. The fourth is additional perks or features. These are special features added to promote a product or attract investors, some of which are given to A-listers, those who have significant financial position in the society. Companies may offer a profit-sharing plan to employees as a type of debenture. Now comes to the pros and cons of debenture. There are two important points of view to consider when evaluating the pros and cons of debenture. The first is the issuer. From the issuer's point of view, a convertible bond can be considered advantageous as the bond can be offered at a lower coupon rate than the coupon of the straight bond. Moreover, a bond interest is a deductible expenses for the issuing company, meaning it will be taxed less as compared to issuing equity. Regardless of how much profit of a company is generating, convertible bond holders can only receive fixed limited earnings until conversion, meaning the company can only share operating income with them if the business is doing well. The second is the investor. For investors or lenders, convertible bonds provide a security blanket on their money, especially for those who are eager to participate in the potential growth of the company. Once bonds are converted into equity shares, the investors or lenders can benefit from the increase in the market price of the stock shares. Now, the debenture stock offer. Debenture and debenture stock are treated similarly. Often, debenture and debenture stock are treated similar. However, they are not similar. Companies and government bodies issue debt instrument or securities to accumulate funds at times via debentures. On the other hand, debenture stock are loan contract between a company and the holder. Here, the holders are paid dividends from the profit earned by the company at predetermined intervals. That's all about debentures. I hope you all have liked our podcast channel. If so, then do please subscribe our channel, The Noble Litigator. You can ask questions, give feedback, and for further queries, contact us on our website www.advocatetanwar.com. Thank you and have a good day.